When we look at the XPG Atom 30 kit, there are two ways to wrap up our review. On an individual basis, these drives are exactly what you might expect. The XPG Atom 31TB is a DRAM-less PCIe 3.0 based NVMe SSD, and it produced results that fell in line with its fellow price-conscious competition. It was not necessarily able to keep up with our budget king SSD, the Western Digital Blue SN570, but it still stayed competitive when compared with others for a wallet-friendly storage option. In both synthetic and real-world simulation tests, the Atom 30 produced mixed results and finished in the middle of the pack overall. A similar story could be said for the included SATA-based ADATA SU670 Ultimate 250GB, which varied widely in its benchmark scores. There were some cautionary signs with the SU670 as well, especially with its low write endurance and shorter 3-year warranty. As such, the secondary SATA option is a capable but decidedly economical drive. However, because they come packaged together, I have to ask, who is the intended audience for this whole kit? As neither of these options really stand out on their own, I do not think there is much appeal when they are bundled together. I also would be surprised if many people need both of these form factors at the same time. If this is the case, at a retail price of $120 US, there are some slight savings to be had. For comparison, the aforementioned WD Blue SN570 1TB can be found for around $90, while the reputable Crucial BX500 can be had for around $35. As such, it is difficult to recommend the XPG Atom 30 250GB 1TB kit when there are good alternatives available for not a whole lot more. Short of lowering the price of the kit, XPG should really improve the performance of at least one of the drives, if not both, to make the whole package more enticing. The full review can be found in the video description below.